students inside and within 100 meters perimeter in public and private schools in Santa Maria and providing penalties for violation thereof. Barangay Ordinance titled an ordinance penalizing tricycle owners, drivers, allowing or requesting minor passengers aged 12 years old and below to be seated at the back right carrier or standing at the sidecar door. And of course, the ordinance also coming from Barangay Palamis. Tax Ordinance Number 1 entitled an ordinance amending barangay taxes of Palamis, Alameda City, Pangasinan. Barangay Ordinance Number 2019-1. An ordinance penalizing owners, proprietors of sari-sari store, canteens, eateries, and ambulant vendors selling cigars, cigarettes, and other tobacco products to minors. Barangay Ordinance Number 2019-02 entitled an ordinance prohibiting minors from smoking cigars, cigarettes, and other tobacco products in the barangay. And that's the
It is the pleasure of the body for the process of Barangay Santa Maria and Barangay Palamis. Councilor De Castro. So let us, Councilor De Castro proposes to set a committee hearing on 11 p.m.
Sex. At 10 a.m. On December 6th.
We have two. Oo. Nine.
December December 12th at 10 a.m.
December.
Thursday.
Schedule na ba tayo? Wala pa. So, Councilor De Castro, the schedule sa committee hearing with regarding the 7 barangay ordinances and tax ordinances on December 12, 10 o'clock in the morning. Kindly invite the barangay of Barangay Santa Maria and Barangay Palamis to the said matter. Then, regarding the review of documents for 2 CSO accreditation, Councilor Roy Villanueva.
Scheduled committee hearing on December 3, 10 o'clock.
Councilor Roy Villanueva, the chairman on cooperatives, would like to set a committee hearing, regarding the said matter on December 3, 9 o'clock in the morning. Any next item, Madam Secretary? Unsigned business.
Representative Unsigned Business. Resolution approving the additional partial list of projects funded under the Development Fund of the Special Purpose Appropriation.
Any motion? Councilor Cirilo Doc moves for the suspension of the rules, seconded by Councilor Pantalera. Madam Secretary?
Our resource person for this item is our City Budget Officer, Madam Romina Luis.
Good afternoon, Your Honors. partial list for the funded out of the development fund and the special purpose appropriation under assistance to barangays and schools. So from number 1 to 15, under the infrastructure development program, total amount is 3,029,098 pesos and 91. Letter B is the roads, buildings development project for various barangays. We have here the rehabilitation of land canal at Sitio in Ansuana, Barangay Lucap, 499,527.97. Under assistance to barangays and schools, a total of 3,106,458 pesos. Grand total of 6,635,084 pesos and 88 centavos.
Any questions from the body? Councilor Cirilo, Docs like.
Ibaba na yung slide. Usap number 1 is 2. Yung number 1 diba? Napansin ko lang, baka mali lang ang kwan dyan. Graphical error yan. 13 sets sa barangay sa Vicente, 233. 20 sets sa barangay Balidaan, 232. Tama ba yan?
Sir, kay Sir Gaspar, yung kanilang program of work.
Solar yung isa. Solar. Sa akin, tinignan na pagka mamaya nagkaroon ng sa...
Sir, pwede mo bang call natin attention ng city engineer?
While waiting for our representative from the city engineer, any other questions regarding the said proposed resolution? Chair rules for a 2-minute recess.
Mawalis ka sa atin natin na dapat ikiwalay na natin yung speaking.
Sir, pag yung sa development fund kasi sir, ito, sakop ng development fund. Ito outside the development fund. So, bali separate resolution.
Pero hindi naman na kailangan.
Sa akin sir, okay lang yung kasama kasi nakaseparate naman yung
Sa loob.
Oo.
May problema.
Kasi
So we'll now resume our session. Under suspension of the rules, meron pa tayo tapos pa kay Madam Rowena Luis, except brought up by Council Dadok. Ma'am, ako may one question lang ako. So, we have here a total of 6 million. 3 million development fund, 3.5 million development fund, and more or less 3 million SPA. Meron pa ba tayo natitirang development fund? As of, ano ba to? As of, say, October 31, magkano po ba ang naiiwan nating development fund?
Kasama din yung loan amortization, meron pa tayong mga 14 million.
14 million pa. And then yung loan sa loan po, magkano po yun? Monthly po ba?
14, yung sa infra na project na lang po is 2 million plus.
2 million na lang. Paubos na talaga.
0.1.
Okay.
Hanggang December, last day of December, meron tayong i-amortize.
Okay.
So far, okay po yung ating utilization rate.
Okay yung nagagamit natin lahat ng DF natin. How about the SPA? Saan ba nagagaling yung mga ulit sa...
Yung SPA kasi outside the development fund.
Okay. So, kahit sana, wherever we allot, appropriate. Yun ang
Yes, sir. Kaya nga, sir, okay na yung mga appliances, mga basketball,
et cetera, et cetera.
equipments, uniforms.
And then, pa-inform na rin po yung body na I think kailan po tayo mag-close books or do we have to be notified kung ano po yung mga kailangan?
Yes, sir. May lalabas po na memo. Ang sinasuggest namin is December 13, last day ng transaction. Except for yung mandatory obligation like the payroll, yung utilities, payment of utilities. But the rest, sir, hanggang 13.
Okay.
December 13.
So, baka may mga supplemental budgets pa tayo.
Yes, sir. Nagpre-prepare po ng isang supplemental. Yes, sir. Nakaprepare na po.
December 13 tayo.
Hindi, sir. Usually nga, ang paggagamitan lang yun, sir, is payment for our wages para sa mga job orders and then yung mga utilities at saka gasoline. Kaya nga sabi ko yung share din po sa savings po ninyo, ang salaries and wages ng JO ninyo, okay na as of hanggang December 30. So, it's either traveling or yung property, plant and equipment para yung pondo nyo, hindi man magamit, makukontinue yung appropriation next year.
Ilagay sa BP. Any other questions? Ma'am, magkano po yung naging proposed annual budget natin for 2019? 657. And then, realize po natin, meron na po ba tayo as of, let's say, November 15? Or...
Na-realize na po natin yung ating local source. Nakapag-overshot na po tayo ng 2.7 million.
As of
October 31. Yung IRA lang po natin kasi, monthly naman po kasi.
Okay.
Every 5th and 20th day of the month.
And then yung marirealize natin more than yung 2+ million sa supplemental budget na lang natin.
Yes, sir. Magdala siya sa our unappropriated surplus. Gagamitin for next year's appropriation.
Or pwedeng gamitin rin this year.
Hindi pa, sir.
Hindi.
Kasi pag,
Realized income.
ang ano ko doon, hindi ako nag-additional estimate. Kasi pag nag-additional estimate, kasi yung mga na-overshot, sir, magiging additional estimate. O di, hahabol na naman tayo ng 2 million
Next year.
this year. Kasi yung income natin yung additional natin additional estimate, a source of fund, maghahabol na naman kami ng another 2 million. Kaya hindi ko siya ginamit. At least yung overshot po natin na yun, mas magiging surplus next year.
I think mas conservative.
Apo.
Okay, kung wala tayong questions kay Ma'am, Ma'am Rowena Luis, you are excused. Ay, okay. Councilor De Castro.
Ma'am, yung isa dyan na item, yung repair and I will just withdraw my question.
Any second? Seconded by Council Bakay. The question is withdrawn. Madam Secretary, under suspension of the rules, can you acknowledge our guests from our engineering office?
Our additional guests for this item are Engineer Ruel Campa, our city engineer, and Sir Wilson Rosario, Engineer 3 from our city engineer's office.
Magandang hapon, engineer. Merry Christmas. Before we start, siguro, Councilor Radok, would you reiterate the question po?
Regarding the figures that are shown in this slide, I was wondering why 13 sets of street lights is more than 20 sets. Hindi namin kine-question yung marami, kinuha lang namin yung figure, baka nagkamali sa typographical error o what.
Kasi check ko sir, ano pala to? CDF pala ito sa Gawad ni Castro. Kaya, ayusin mo ba't ganyan?
Alintod. Alintod na sa'yo ako. Isa akin yung isa eh. Isa akin yung isa doon.
Ano yung isa? May yung target.
Asan yung tiro ka dito?
May na ng target.
Sa akin yung malaki. Sa akin mas malaki yung 13 mo kaysa yung 20.
Hindi, yung target kasi pare, may kasamang gold yan. Yung sa'yo, good for 1 week lang tayo sa'yo. Good for 1 week.
Yan na yung akin eh.
The chair rules for a 2-minute recess. During recess, maybe our proponents should explain. Antay lang natin si... Okay na po?
Pinagdaan po namin yung sir, yung program mo first para kasi magkakasama po kasi dito may Barangay San Vicente and Santa Maria at pinagsama. Tapos Barangay Palayagaan, Pangatisan, Pinirangan and Palamis. So kasi meron po dito yung iba kailangan ng breaker, yung iba hindi na nilalagyan ng breaker. So rekta na siya, tinatap na lang po kaya po hindi sila magkaparehas. Yung materialis po kasi hindi naman pare-parehas po yan. Yung iba may metro, yung iba walang metro. Kaya ganun siya. Kaya po hindi talaga sila magkaparehas. Kasi yung iba po dito, 5-5 lang po as per request mo. So parang wala siyang kasamang breaker. Yung iba naman, 30 sets may kasamang breaker. May processing.
So we will now resume our session. And can you put what our good engineer said on the record na lang? So,
Pero yung figure, pwede mabago yan. Walang ganyan.
Totality na po kasi yung nilagay sir. Barangay Palayatan, Pangatisan, Nirangan yung Palamis. Pinagsama-sama, pinag-add na. So, wala pong trigger yung iba dito, kaya sir.
Kita kasi yung yun eh.
Totoo kita pare, alam mo, gumamit na kasi ng calculator na made in China. Ano mo gumamit ng media master? Yung one actually equals 40.
so are we gonna ask for the program of work or?
Hindi, kung na lang kaya, gawin lang natin, pagsabay na lang yan na 465. Kung pagsabay mo na para, di ba? Hindi makikita yung...
So the proposal is fabrication of street lights, 33 sets
Oo.
at Barangay San Vicente, Santa Maria, Balitaan, mga Pisanaganahan, Calabarzon.
Mas maganda yun.
Maganda naman.
Para hindi kita.
Consolidate.
Oo. Okay na yun. Consolidate.
So any other questions from our city engineer and our good engineer from the Councilor Dalia De Leon?
Sir, ano po itong 18 pieces na garbage eco shed? Saan po ito? Saan barangay po ito gagawin? Buti mas okay. Matog na.
Ano number na?
13, sir.
Labor and materials for the fabrication of 18 pieces garbage eco shed. Ang ganun.
Jason gumawa. Jason yan ang gumawa ng
Yes.
So, ma'am, meron po katanungan. Aware po ba tayo doon? Sir, aware po ba tayo doon sa garbage eco shed? Ang ating city engineer.
Ito sir, the item number 13, labor and material for the fabrication of 18 pieces garbage eco shed. That is under the JSO po. Sila po yung nag-prepare yan ng program over. Hindi ko po masagot yan.
Okay, sige po. For the clarification ako, para po lang alam ng lahat, no? Sino po ba talaga ang parang nagagawa ng program of work? Kunyari po, may request, tapos program of work, sino po ba ang kadalasan gumagawa po? Si engineering office po or GSO po?
Kadalasan po sa amin din po na gumagawa ng program of works. Pero allowed din sila po na gumawa din ng program of works.
Pero initially kayo talaga dapat.
Kami po yung gumagawa ng program of works.
Pag gumagawa po sila, ang pipirma po kayo rin.
Hindi, sila lang po.
Sila rin. Pwede rin. Okay.
Number 13 po.
Yes.
Project po ni nakalagay po kasi dun sa PR is various barangays. Wala ko po specific kung anong barangay po.
Okay.
Sasalit na lang po namin kasi yung dadalap po sa bahay. Barangay po kasi.
Sige ma'am, pwede i-ano mo lang yung process para alam mo yun. So may request, tapos may program of work from engineering office or GSO, and then diretso na po ng back. Ganun po ba?
Kasi sa WAC, may mga pinipilapan po tayo. May template po kasi na nakalagay din yung mga location. Kaya that's the only time na matatanong namin sila kung saan talaga yung exact location. So far, generic po yung gawa pa.
Pero paano po yun kung may project po si GSO? I think dapat alam rin dapat inang-aprobahan din ng engineer kasi syempre siya yung naghahawak ng plano ng buong city.
Parang meron silang separation of power or
Yeah.
sir. Pag minor daw, minor
Ah.
sa GSO, mga major repairs and
Engineering.
construction and infra, engineering.
Kasi mahirap naman kung may plano yung engineering tapos bigla magtatayo si GSO doon, edi gigibain na naman, parang yun, di ba? So anyway, it's something in the executive department. So.
Sir, may maganda po sana po yung ating invitation. Pwede bang tatlo na lang po kami dati para
Sige ma'am.
hindi na tayo nag-delay on the discussion.
Sige, ma'am.
Si engineer,
Sige ma'am.
Tamban na.
Please take out, Madam Secretary. So anyway, that's just a process po sa City Hall na suggestion lang namin at least just coordinate para hindi kayo kasi baka mamaya may gawin yung JSO biglang mamaya hindi pala okay sa plano biglang gigibahin din natin so mahirap na may gawin. So any other questions? Last question, Councilor Applebahay.
Meron lang po akong katanungan dito sa number 15. Construction of 3 layers apartment type home at the City Public Cemetery. Ang katanungan ko po dito, ilang apartment type ang magagawa ng 1.4 million pesos? Tsaka saan po ilolocate ito? Kasi alam naman natin na overcrowded na yung ating mga sa cemetery. So, gagawin lang ba dun sa may side na fence sa may gilid or ipapagit na ba siya or somewhere ito, engineer?
Yes po, the construction of 3 layers apartment type sa City Public Cemetery, that is 38 bay na 3D. Ayun po, at mayroon viable din po pa yung kwan natin doon, yung area natin na paglagyan ng dome. Actually, as of now, yung sinabi ni Engineer Wilson Camba, 21 na lang po yung natitirang dome doon. Kaya sana po we are appealing na papastrack natin ito. Thank you po.
Okay, with that, maraming salamat sa ating mga bisita. Madam Rowena Luis, Engineer Roel Camba, and the rest of the staff from the engineering office. Maraming pong salamat. So, yung doon sa 1 and 2, okay na yan, i-join na namin natin. Okay. So, we will now lift the suspension of the rules. What is the pleasure of the body regarding the set and assigned business? Councilor Lato.
The chair that the same be debated to the business of the report.
It has been moved by Councilor Radok, seconded by Councilor De Leon for the inclusion of the said resolution in our business of the day for deliberation, given that corrections suggested a while back will be integrated in the proposal.
Mr. Chairman, I have one unassigned business here. Pwede ko ba ipasok?
Well, is there any objection? No objection? Go ahead, Councilor.
Mr. Chairman, I would like to have a resolution commending the achievement of the 3 students from EDNAS School, Julian Felix Di Castro, John Mateo Briones, and Manuel Chidor Ong for being a World Scholars Cup Tournament of Champions 2019 held at Yale University, New Haven, Connecticut, USA, last November 8 to 13, 2019. Palakpakan natin.
Congratulations, Councilor.
Councilor Di Castro. And this will be awarded during the flag ceremony on Monday.
So, is this resolution commendatory?
Yes.
Parang commendatory. So, may nanalong prize
Nanalo sila. Silang tatlo.
ng prize sa Yale.
Si Yale
Ano pong,
University.
ano pong napanalunan nila? Na
World Scholars Cup.
World Scholars
Tournament
Cup.
Champions 2019.
Okay. So there is a proposed resolution by Councilor Applebahay, and she's moving to include it in our business of the day for deliberation, seconded by Councilor Season. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is included in our business of the day. Next item.
We'll proceed to the committee report. The first item is the Appropriation Committee report from the hearing held November 19 regarding the supplemental budget 2019 of the following barangays: Barangay Alos, Balayan, Bisopol, Bolanay, Boel, Cayucay, Dulacar, Limansangan, Luca, Palanis, Pamatisan, San Antonio, San Roque, Santa Maria, and Sangcara.
Yes, Mr. Chair, the committee hearing was conducted on November 19,
Counselor, forgive me,
2019.
before we, maybe, saan ba siya? Ay, isa lang ba? Go ahead.
Yeah, present were my colleagues, Councilor Apolonia Bakay and Liga ng mga barangay, President Raul Bakay. Also present were the representatives from the body office, from barangay, barangay committee chairman on appropriations and barangay treasurers from the concerned barangay. During this hearing, representatives of the concerned barangays listed below have presented to the committee their proposed supplemental budget with minor clarifications on some supplemental barangay budget proposals. The committee has suggested that since the barangay that is the supplemental budgets are intertwined or connected with each other, they should be submitted to be heard as at once or simultaneously. This of the hearing conducted and the certification issued by the local finance committee as to their substantial compliance to applicable budgeting rules and laws. The committee found the supplemental budgets of the above mentioned barangays in order. In view of the above findings, the committee hereby moves for the adoption of its committee report and the inclusion in the business of the day, a resolution declaring valid and operative as a whole in its entirety the supplemental budgets of the barangays listed in the committee report. Mr. Chair.
Okay, Councilor Cirilo Doc moves for the adoption of the committee report and to said item be included in our business of the day for deliberation. Next item under business of the day.
The next item under, we proceed to the unfinished business. The request for a resolution authorizing City Mayor Art Brian C. Celeste to enter into a memorandum of agreement by and between the city government of Alaminos, Pangasinan and the Department of Science and Technology Region 1 for the adoption of the ITDI dual drum composter technology.
Councilors. So, Councilor Secundera moves to suspend the rules, seconded by Councilor Fontelera to accommodate our guest. Madam Secretary.
Our resource person for this item is Engineer Acosta from CTGS.
Last time ko sa'yo. Ngayon na natin tapos wala ko. Magandang hapon po, Engineer Gaspar.
Magandang hapon po.
Saka pwede niyo po kaming nabasa po natin to for first reading ng last session. Pero hindi kulang po yung information po na nalalaman ng body. Kaya pwede po bang pakwento po kung ano po yung project na ito.
Yes, sir. Ito po sir, napakaganda po kung ibibigay ng DOST sa atin. Kasi po, this is a composting drum. It's composed of 3 drums, 3 shredder din po. Actually po, mayroon na po tayong composting drum sa ating materials recovery facility, pero malaki po. Ang capacity po nun nasa atin is 1 ton. Ito pong ibibigay sa atin is 50 each, so 150 kilograms sa kaya ng tatlo. Well, napakaganda kasi nga po ibibigay ito. So, yun lang po ang hiling ng ating mayor na sana po ay mapagbigyan ng resolution para maka-enter po dito sa MUA para makuha natin itong i-grant sa atin. Okay po?
Any questions from the body?
Drop lang po ito, Mr. Chair.
Yes sir, drum lang po ito. Doon po natin ilalagay, rotary po yan sir, umiikot po. Umiikot. Isa-spread natin yung biodegradable, ipipid natin sa kanya, iikot po yan sir hanggang matuyo yung basura. Magiging organic pa. Yes. Rotary po yan sir, umiikot po. May motor po yan, electric, umiikot po yan hanggang matuyo po yung basura sa loob niya.
May nakalagay kasi dito technology, akala ko talaga napagahap.
Hindi sir, ano po kasi yan yung technology,
Drop lang pala.
yes, drum, mayroong yung para sa tubig, yung nasa tubig, yung pagpapakyat ng tubig, yun po yung makina niya, iikot po yan, folding round, nag-iikot po yan, hanggang matuyo po yung laman niyang basura sa loob.
Okay, Councilor Secundera.
Yes, sir.
How big is the area that the DOST will be needing?
I think ma'am, open naman po yung tatlong MRF natin doon. Pwede natin ibigay yung 8x10 na building natin na isa ron eh. Napakaliit po ng espasyo niyan ma'am. Kasi nga yung 1 ton, napakaliit ang espasyo niyan. Kasi pag ibasin natin po doon sa drum, example po yun sa drum, 3 drum lang po yan. Maliliit po. Maliit ang space po niya.
Any other questions? Councilor Adolf, last question.
Mga magkano worth nito, engineer?
Sir, ano na yung baga? Ano na yung baga, sir? Basta yung baga, ha? No, okay ato, itindagan niya tayo.
Kasi, hindi naman sa kanila, pero parang gram lang, tapos kailangan pa ang memorandum mo mag-credit nila yun. Ito maliit lang na amount naman.
May baka may technical assistance.
Yes.
Kaya,
Kaya na may technology rito.
Yes, same true kasi sir, yung binigay po ng DAR, yung sa Department of Agriculture, malaki po yun. Yung composting drum na rotary, 1 ton ang kaya nun. Ito kasi maliliit lang to siya, drum na maliit. Yung neutral na drum lang po. Yun po. Kasi 50 kilos lang naman.
May draft ba yung dito, yung muwa?
Yes sir, mayroon po yung dito niya.
Meron. Wala namang funding na nakalagay.
Wala naman tayo dito.
So nakalagay lang, project manager. Sir, I'm assuming kayo po yung magiging project manager.
Yes sir, ang ano lang po siguro dito, kasi ang isa pang iyakamutit natin, pag pumunta sila rito, ituruan yung tao natin on how to operate. Pero I think sir, alam na natin kasi mas malaki yung ginagamit natin kaysa yung darating.
Any other questions? Kung wala na, thank you very much, Engineer Gaspar.
Thank you rin po sa inyong lahat.
So, the chair rules for a 2-minute recess off the record. Sir Gaspar, since nandito na po kayo, off the record naman, may concern lang po yung ilang members po natin sa body. Off the record lang. Singit ko na lang, ito na si Sir. Yung operations po natin dun sa dump site. I think pagkatagulan po ata parang yung lupa na parang yung lupa po na kumakapit dun sa gulong ng truck ay napupunta po sa daanan, po sa barangay road. At nagiging parang maraming mga na-aksidente po ata at saka hindi nalilinisan. So, request lang po ng iba po sa amin na siguro linisan muna yung gulong bago po pumunta sa barangay road or siguro sa tapat ng dump site, tanggalin na lang po yung mga lupang na iimbak doon sa daan para makaiwas po tayo sa aksidente.
Yes sir, kasi totoo po yung sinabi ninyo sir. Natapat po kasi yung date ng quarry natin doon. Doon tayo kumuha ng lupa, yung pong itinatambak natin sa lupa. Kaya po, dumumi yung kalsada. Anyhow, pinabong pa naman po ng fire truck. Kaya lang po, hindi naman lagi na nabubumba po yung ating kalsada. As to date po, dahil matuyo naman po yung kalsada, hindi okay naman po. Hopefully, by sa itong susunod na tag-ulan, okay na po kasi nalagyan na rin po ng bato yung ating daan na pumunta doon sa ating sanitary landfill. Okay.
Tapos suggestion lang po yun ng ibang members para sa mga kabarangay natin.
Yes sir, totoo po yung sinabi.
Pagka pwedeng tawag na lang kayo sa inyo para at least.
Copy sir, copy.
Thank you. Maraming salamat. We'll now resume our session. What is the pleasure of the body regarding this item? Councilor Segundera, our chairperson on environment.
Yes, Mr. Chair, I move for the adoption of the said resolution.
Okay, it has been moved by Councilor Segundera, seconded by Councilor De Leon and Councilor Rabago for the adoption of the said resolution. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted.
The next item is the second reading of the proposed ordinance requiring all contractors and/or developers of public and private infrastructure projects, roads, bridges, malls, supermarkets, gasoline stations, buildings, subdivisions, and other real estate development projects to secure allocation of clearance and development permit from the Sangguniang Panlungsod of the City of Alaminos, Pangasinan prior to commencing construction and/or earthworks and for other purposes.
Yes, Mr. Chair, if there are no more comments or questions on the proposed measure, I move that it be scheduled for third reading during our next regular session.
It has been moved by Councilor Cirilo Roque, seconded by Councilor Apple-Bacay, Councilor Renoy, and Councilor Padalera. That the calendar for third and final reading this proposed measure in our next regular session. Any objection? Hearing none, the item is scheduled for third and final reading in our next regular session. Next item.
The next item is the second reading of the proposed ordinance adopting the implementing rules and regulations of Republic Act Number 10028, entitled an act expanding the promotion of breastfeeding, amending for the purpose Republic Act Number 7600, otherwise known as an act providing incentives to all government and private health institutions with rooming in and feeding practices and for other purposes.
Councilor Apple-Bacay.
Another second reading on the next regular session.
Councilor Apple-Bacay would like to defer the said item and schedule for another second reading in our next regular session. Okay, proposal. In our next regular session. Next item.
Second reading of the proposed ordinance, an ordinance adopting Republic Act Number 11148, cited as the Kalusugan at Nutrition ng Magnanay Act, otherwise known as an act scaling up the national and local health and nutrition program through a strengthened integrated strategy for maternal, neonatal, child health and nutrition in the first 1,000 days of life, appropriating funds therefore and for other purposes.
Councilor
I
Apple-Bacay.
move for another second reading on the next regular session.
Okay, Councilor Apple-Bacay would like to defer the said item and calendar for another second reading in our next regular session. Next item.
Resolution commending the achievement of Ms. Miriam M. Preciados, Master Teacher of the Alameda City National High School, for being adjudged as the regional winner of the search for 2019 Uliran Gurok, conducted by the Manila Teachers Savings and Card Loan Associations Incorporated.
For the adoption of that resolution.
Councilor Apple-Bacay moves for the adoption of the said resolution, seconded by Councilor Season. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
Resolution approving the additional partial list of projects funded under the following funds. Under the 20% development fund amounting to 3,528,626 pesos and 88 centavos. For special purpose appropriation, assistance to barangays and school amounting to 3,106,458 pesos.
If there are no more questions on the matter, I move that the said proposed measure be adopted.
Di ba isa-isa?
Councilor Cirilo Roque moves for the adoption of the said resolution, seconded by Councilor Apple-Bacay, Councilor Season, Councilor Raul-Bacay, Councilor Lover Bernabe, Councilor Rabago, Councilor Segundera for the adoption of the said resolution. Given the suggestions a while ago of the councilors be integrated to the new measure. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
Resolution commending the achievements of 3 students from Ignas School in the recently concluded World Scholars Cup Tournament of Champions 2019 held at Yale University, New Haven, Connecticut, USA, last November 8 to 13, 2019. They are Manuel Neudor H. Ong, John Maffio M. Briones, and Julian Felix De Castro.
Mr. Chair, I move for the adoption of that resolution.
Councilor Apple-Bacay moves for the adoption of the said resolution, seconded by Councilor Segundera, Councilor Season. Any objection? Any objection?
I would like to include the school and their coaches, because had it not been the school and the coaches, they would have not gone to USA. This tournament is just the culmination of a series of tournaments. I think it started from Cebu, and then at the Resort World, and last year at the US.
Okay, Councilor.
And it runs in the genes.
Good guy. Councilor Rato.
I suggest, Mr. Chairman, that the name of the chair of Honorable Councilor be put first in the
This is
position.
there are 6 students, 2 from, there are also participants from Ednas Tagupan and Ednas. Of the record, it just so happened that I do not like that the province of Pangasinan would acknowledge them as university. Because they did not only represent the Ednas school, they represented Philippines.
Pero hindi na, ano,
Naulit tayo.
Mr. Ken,
Kasi sinasabi nila.
oo.
can we include the name of the parents? It's as the name of this school. The resolution.
So,
We include example, so and so, son of so and so.
Not only the inclusion,
with highlight and bold.
it's bigger. It should be bigger. Because it did not involve the
So, what is the pleasure of our proponent? Ilagay po ba natin yung... Ilagay natin yung school at coaches. Okay. First proposal, okay po si Councilor Bangis. Second proposal, mauna po yung pangalan ni De Castro. Okay.
Nauna naman pati parents.
Okay. Last proposal, ilagay pa natin yung... Sa whereas na lang, o...
I did not win.
open close parentheses para doon sa baba.
Lagay natin yung parents. Hindi na.
Awarded during
Commission yung parents nila eh.
Siguro na natin ipapawal. Kung may bawal sa ceremony na hindi.
So, okay na po tayo sa... sa... kasama ang school and coaches. Second, okay na yung mauna yung Felix De Castro. And then yung sa parents, baka hindi na lang natin, baka masyado nang humaba. So, bilit pa nila. Okay, yun lang. Dagdag. It will be awarded in during our flag ceremony. Councilor, tama ba? Okay, during our flag ceremony, award by the resolution and a special... Ano eh? Resolution ng bila, parang yung special ano ba? And a copy of the resolution and a certificate of recognition from the Sangguniang Panglungsod. Okay, any other suggestions? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Yung isang yung teacher sa flag ceremony rin. Okay, yung teacher flag ceremony rin. And Ma'am Luz, siguro pagka meron tayong kino-comment, copy of the resolution and the certificate of recognition. Para yung resolution natin kumalat din. Okay. Next item.
Resolution declaring invalid and operative the barangay budget, the supplemental budgets of the following barangay, of the 15 barangays.
Mr. Chair, I move that the measure be adopted.
Okay, it has been moved by Councilor Cirilo Dot, the Chairman of Finance and Ways and Means. Any second? Seconded by Councilor Season, Councilor Secondary, and Councilor De Leon, that for the adoption of the said resolution, declaring valid and operational these barangay supplemental budgets. Any objection? Hearing none, the said resolution is hereby adopted. Next item.
Announcement po. Invitation to the first local government unit Freedom of Information Conference on December 6, 2019. The venue is to be announced later. Hinihingi po, the Vice Mayor and 2 ST members po ang aatin.
I nominate of the attendance of the I nominate Councilor Robert.
Is this proponent Alaminos or From the office of the president. So, any other announcements? Proposals to commend the parents of the
Councilor Raul Bacay.
so, Madam Secretary, kindly coordinate with the SP members. December 6 Okay. Councilor announcement.
Isa pa pong announcement, yung last day po ng ating Zumba with na activity ng ating library. Imbes na po sa Friday na po, bukas na po gaganapin at 4 o'clock in the afternoon.
Sana po makapunta, pupunta ako. Sana po makapunta po tayo.
Please wear po sometime blue uniform kung t-shirt po na kulay na daw po. Sa Plaza Marshall of Cavite.
May kwelo?
Hindi sir, yung
LGU.
Olympics natin.
Yung cycling pants.
Cycling first. Si Caprol daw ang binilis.
Tapos pala, yung announcement, ano ko? Yung sangguniang panglungsod ng Alaginos Dance Pro. Yung sasayaw daw tayo.
Ready na ba kayo?
Tayo na.
Sige.
Wag si Kagawan Bisil ang magtuturo sa atin kung sasayaw mo, malaking natin na.
Sa likod ako, ikaw sa harap.
Yung wala magagaling, sa likod ko, kami sa harap. Si Jojo, si Proby, si Paul, yan. Ito pala. Malapit na yung Christmas party natin. Ito, totoo to. Walang makikialam na staff dito. Tayong social at lesbian na ang sasayaw. Ha? Ay, sumayaw ka rin ba?
Parang nagpo-volunteer na si Councilor Jojo. Ipapakita daw niya.
Kami lang ha? Dito. Power niya naman.
Okay, any other announcement? Kung wala na, Councilor Robert Renoy? Shall we, or Councilor Ramagon?
Yes, there are no matter to discuss for adjournment of the session.
Just been moved by Councilor Ramagon, seconded by Councilor Renoy for the adjournment of today's session. And now po, this time ng Pangunsod, the regular session for the 4th week of November adjourned. Merry Christmas. Practice na kayo. Sample ni Ikaw Jojo.
Yung Kagawan Jojo, sa klapay na request ko, abay mo, dapat na may anak na sungkal, katanong mo, ipahanap mo lang, ang mula pa. Ang mula pa.
Gusto ko sumama sa inyo.